In today's hashtag quiz tutorial, we're going to be explaining to you the delay function. This is a function we've added at the popular request of lots of our streaming customers. If you've ever streamed on anything except some popular conference software like Zoom, you'll be aware of the delay between the host streaming their stream and the viewer receiving the stream. The delay function on hashtag quiz solves this problem by sending the question to the player by a delayed amount of time, and that time is chosen by the host. Let's demonstrate it now. The first thing we're going to do is push launch game. We're going to pick our quiz. I'm picking the 80s music round for this example. We're not going to go into detail on any of the other settings. I'm just going to go straight to delay. And the question is, do you want to add handset delay? Yes, we do. How long do we want to add it? I'm going to show you now how we can work out that delay. On Facebook, we want to start streaming. So this top screen here that you can see is my Facebook screen, which I'm going to be streaming from. On the bottom screen, it is the viewer's view of that stream. So let's just get to it now. There we go. We've got our live feed there. I'm going to start a timer, which is counting up from 1 on our live feed. And the difference in time from the live feed to the player receiving it is the delay in seconds that's required. Okay, so we're going to start our countdown timer now. We'll see it on the top screen in real time, and we want to see how long it takes before it's displayed on the viewer's display. So in real time, 1, 2, there we go. We're going to see how long it takes before it is shown on the viewer's device. There we go. So it's 19 seconds delay there for us. 19 seconds. You must do this on your own device because it can be different for each person. But for us, it's 19 seconds. So I'm going to input 19 seconds here into my quiz software. 19 seconds. And then we can launch the game. The game code there, 1002. On our player's screen, this is the right hand side, this would be their mobile phone device, or they can use a computer or a laptop. They're going to type in the game code, which is 1002, and they can join the game. Team name is test team, number of players 1. We can accept them on our host screen and start the game. In this first question, I'm going to show you what the host can see on their screen and also what the player can see on their screen on the right. We're going to push play question. That's going to start sending the question through to the players. But remember, whatever you've entered as your delay time is how long it will delay that. So it could be 19 seconds for us in this example. Which singer and songwriter was born Michael Barrett in 1948? So we would play the question and then read the question and the options. Which singer and songwriter was born Michael Barrett in 1948? A. Elton John, B. Shakin' Stevens, C. Boy George, or D. Limahl. It's still greyed out, so we're waiting for the players to receive that question. This is a little bit of fill time. Perfect. We can start the time now. Players, you've got 18 seconds left to answer. We can see that it's going to start 19 seconds late on the player's screen. But whatever we say now will seem to be in real time to the players. So now we're in the minus time. I'm going to show the correct answer. That only shows it on the host screen. But now I can say, well done if you got that one right. The correct answer was B. It was Shakin' Stevens. So that's part of the fill time. And then the answers. Let's see who got that one right the fastest and who got that one right. Here we go. The correct answers. Oh, nobody got that one right. But the correct answer was Shakin' Stevens. Well done. So the third and final thing I'm going to show you with the delay function is on the next question. And that's what happens if all of the teams answer before the timer expires. So we're going to play this question. Here we go. Let's play the question and then read it out. Which Australian singer-songwriter had a hit in 1987 with the song Suddenly, made famous from Neighbours? So we're waiting for this to not be grayed out anymore so that we can click it. Perfect. Now we know the players have received their question. Let's start the timer. So for this one, I'm going to show you what happens when they answer early. So I want to check what the real answer is. It is A, Angry Anderson. So we know that in a couple of seconds, the players will receive that. So when they answer, even though there was 19 seconds left on their timer, everyone's answered now, the timer stops, and that comes through to us at the same time. You would use this same method for YouTube or Twitch or other social media or streaming platforms. What you need to make sure you do though is check this every single time that you're streaming using the hashtag quiz software to make sure your guests have the best experience. Thanks for listening to this tutorial video. We hope you enjoy the software as much as we enjoyed creating it.